Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. I am Mahmud Munawar. I am a teacher of SMA Negeri 14 Tebo, and I am a student of UIN Jambi in English program at semester 2. Here I would like to explain to you all about what are offline, online, and hybrid teachings, and what media can teacher use. Lately, we often hear the term of online teaching and hybrid teaching due to COVID-19. This is the phenomenon now. This is very wide use in our country, and here start from offline teaching. Offline teaching, but to traditional teaching. Offline teaching, offline education means a student needs to go in school, in a classroom, and attend a class face-to-face with a teacher. This is according to Colliot in 2002. So, as we know, this is the traditional one, and the teacher meet face to face. You can see, you can meet in a classroom, you can interact, and then online teaching, according to Ananthanatayanan in 2014. Described as online learning as an instructional format that is mediated by some form of technology, typically the internet, and is characterized by geographical and sometimes temporal separation between instructor and student. This definition of online teaching according to Ananthanatayanan in Selecting Media for Online Learning by Ipewulu, Henrietta Amaka, and Kati Kuman. And in other definition, according to Wallace in 2003, states that online courses are defined as courses that are offered entirely through the internet. So you can say that in short that online teaching or online course or online education is education or teaching based on internet and technology. And then let's say like in my school we use blended learning or hybrid learning. It's the combination between online teaching and offline teaching. Here, the definition of hybrid learning according to introduction to hybrid learning from College of DuPage. Hybrid learning combines face-to-face and online teaching into one cohesive experience. In other definition, I take from the University of Edinburgh, hybrid teaching consists of a mixture of digital and on-campus activities, where students may be able to attend on-campus sessions, digital session in the same time zone, or digital session in a different time zone. So, and the mixture between digital and campus and online one by they're separated by time zone or different time zone and the same time zone. And then about the media. The media here I would like to explain the media that we use in teaching in general. Here, the media that we use in teaching, slides and films, TV broadcast, sound broadcast, films, tape tests, oral tests, written tests, resident courses, correspondence, study groups, workbook. Here, all this media can be used in traditional teaching or offline teaching, but some media here seems to be the old ones, like audio tapes and cassettes, video cassettes. Now we prepare to use slides and film strip, films, these workbooks. And where textbook and pamphlets are still used until now. And also written tests and examination are the way to assess the student's ability in the class. And then here, I'd like to show you some three platforms that we often use in teaching online: Zoom, Google Hangouts, Microsoft Teams. Here there are comparisons according to the number of the student in the free feature. Zoom can cover 100 participants, Google Hangouts 10, and Microsoft Teams is the biggest one, 250. And then, according to some research, well, Zoom is very, very popular because there are some, better feature, like Zoom has breakout rooms, and Zoom also have the whiteboard, something like this, and some slides, screen share, and this one. Keep stars and beds that have where this one is covered in Microsoft Teams. But according to the research and my school and my fellow teachers, my friends, they use Zoom to present their material. And in hybrid learning, they also use classroom. Yes, in the morning they teach traditionally face to face. In the afternoon they use classroom to share materials and tests. Okay, in conclusion, teaching whether offline, online, or hybrid is the process of attending to people's needs, experiences, and feelings to get knowledge and skill. Yes, or what kind of teaching, online, offline, or combination, or hybrid. Yeah, it's the process to get knowledge, to make our students better. And the teaching media is something very, very important. Teaching media mean all tools which may be used by teacher to deliver teaching material to students in teaching learning process to reach certain learning goals. I think that's all my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.